Imagine a train that does not run on diesel, does not release thick smoke, and its biggest waste product is just water. Sounds like a train from the future, right? But this future is coming to India. India is preparing its first hydrogen powered train, a technology that could change the way we think about transportation. Today, most trains runs in two ways. The first is diesel trains where fuel is burned and to produce energy, but diesel creates pollution. The second is electric trains which use electricity through overhead wires. But what if we need a clean train in places where putting electric wires is difficult? This is where hydrogen train comes into the picture. What is a hydrogen train? A hydrogen train is a train that uses hydrogen fuel cells to generate electricity. Now, you might wonder, hydrogen itself does not directly move the train. So, how does it work? Inside the train, hydrogen is stored in special tanks. This hydrogen goes into a fuel cell where it reacts with oxygen from the air. This chemical reaction produces electricity. That electricity powers the train's motors and the train starts moving. The main byproduct of this process is water vapor. India first hydrogen train is a major step towards green transportation. The project is being developed under Indian Railways and is planned for operation on the Jin Sonipat route in Haryana. The train is designed with hydrogen fuel cell technology and represents India's efforts to explore cleaner alternatives to traditional fuel. This is not just about building a new train, it is about developing a completely new energy system. Why does India need hydrogen trains? India has one of the world's largest railway networks. Many railway routes are already electrified, but some routes are challenging to electrify because of first, difficult geographical locations, second, power passenger traffic, high infrastructure cost for such routes. Hydrogen trains can become an alternative to diesel trains. Now, advantages of hydrogen trains. Cleaner transportation. Diesel train releases harmful gases and particles. Hydrogen fuel cell trains can significantly reduce direct emissions because their main output is water vapor. Second, less dependence on diesel. India imports a large amount of fossil fuels. Cleaner energy sources can help reduce dependence on traditional fuels. Third, useful for difficult routes. Building electric railway infrastructure everywhere is expensive. Hydrogen train can be useful in areas where electrification is difficult. Fourth, development of new technology. Hydrogen technology can create new industries related to hydrogen production, storage systems, fuel cells maintenance, challenges of hydrogen trains. However, every new technology has challenges. First, high cost. Hydrogen train requires expensive equipment, special storage tanks, fuel cells, refueling infrastructure. Currently, this technology is more expensive than the traditional trains. Hydrogen production challenge. Hydrogen is not a ready made fuel like petrol or diesel. It has to be produced. If hydrogen is produced using renewable resources, it is called green hydrogen and is much cleaner. But if it comes from fossil fuels, the environmental benefit decreases. Storage and safety. Hydrogen is a very light and highly flammable gas. Therefore, it requires advanced technology for safe storage and transportation. Modern systems use strict safety measures to manage these risks. Hydrogen train versus electric train. So is hydrogen better than electric trains? The answer is it depends. Electric trains are usually better where railways lines are already electrified. Hydrogen trains can be useful where electrification is difficult. Diesel train needs replacement, cleaner alternatives are required. Future of hydrogen trains in India. India's hydrogen train is not just about one train or one route. It represents a bigger vision, a future where train transportations becomes cleaner, technology becomes greener, and India becomes more self-reliant in energy solutions. So, India's first hydrogen train is a promising step toward the future, but its success will depend on three things: cost, availability of clean hydrogen, and how widely it can be used. What do you think? Can hydrogen trains become the future of Indian railways? Tell us in the comments.